The Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, is recommending that persons face criminal charges if they knowingly spread sexually transmitted infections, STIs. The recommendation was made today at the Joint Select Committee reviewing the sexual offences and related acts. Details from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Adley Duncan, said the recommendation stems from an extradition request for George Flowers. Mr. Flowers was recently extradited from Jamaica to Canada to face criminal charges.
The offense was that he allegedly knew he had HIV, did not disclose his status to prospective sexual partners, and in fact had sexual intercourse with them, and some of them contracted the virus.
Mr. Duncan argued that, at common law, it was illegal in Jamaica for someone to knowingly transmit an STI to another person. He made reference to Section 5 of the Sexual Offences Act. It states that if a husband has sex with his wife knowing he has an STI, he has committed rape. If convicted in the circuit court, that husband can face a minimum of 15 years to life in prison. With that in mind, Mr. Duncan made this recommendation.
One recommendation that would augment our operational capacity is perhaps including, by way of an amendment, a provision that an express provision, that criminalizes the knowing transmission or the reckless transmission of a sexual infection to a prospective partner.
He went further.
Now, in Canada, it is an offense to know your status and to not disclose it. And there is no parallel provision here. And I leave that question to be considered by Parliament, how far they wish to go with the contemplation.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.